So we are unhappy about the coach with. Even that game bengamele lose. We're supposed to win it maybe 7-0 because of umbatha wenzeni. Sidinga umbatha umkwena bengekho besingacapitalize. Umkulokuza umbatha kumanje. Uthathe wasifaka eAmerica. Siya World Cup because of umbatha. Yeah. But umbatha udli ama-ice ku-Pirates. Why?
Do you think maybe the fault could be mhlambe esiswini sethu indlela esiqale ngayo coach wethu azange aba clinically nge-starting lineup sakhe nama-substitutions lawa ayenzile?
Starting lineup was totally wrong. Ama-substitute was totally wrong. UMakgopa bengadeserve ukuphuma namhlanje.
Police yena?
On point. Wrong. Police, it was our man of the match.
Yeah.
So we are not a combined game. We are not collective ball. We are not Pakela strikers. How come you can change our police? By dying minutes we can score a goal. But
Akwenzakalanga. And do you think ukuthi Umbule would have made a significant difference la egamini?
He's supposed to start the game. Yabona Mtshela nabo Dasen bekumele labo bethu ukuthi kancane but Mtshela is a good player ngeke ngithathe lutho from yena. But uDasen is still young. Kumele simnikeze chance. Yes, ukorile congrats kwintwana. Iyakhula intwana. Yabo.
And maybe leyo iyomkhuphulisa confidence yakhe.
Yeah, but yabona umbuthuma first touch always yamshaya, height yamshaya. But you can't take out uMakgopa. Umakgopa nomtake out ufaka uMabasa at least singamabhakeni siyajabula.
Hlezi sekhoneni.
Yes mfethu. Isniper kanti ucoach udleleni. Udleleni mfethu.
Udlala ngomsebenzi coach. No, if it ngokuthathile so ucoach wethu mina I think